Look at Lily go! Go, Lily, go! Can Abby squeeze her ear? Okay, no, Liam, she's singing a song. You can go. You can ride, Lily. You can ride while she's singing. It's okay. You can ride. There you go. Yay! Go, Lily.
Going faster than ever.
Yeah, Lily's intense. Serious about this pony riding.
No, it's my turn.
Clippity clop, clippity clop. Mommy's gonna turn off the song.
No, stop it. Ely's smiling. It's not interrupting you.
You guys like your pony?
Yeah.
You like your lacy pony? Hey, look, Abby and Lily, look at Mommy. Look at the camera. Abby, look at the camera too. Abby, Abby. Look at the camera, Lily. Say thank you, Mimi, for Lacy Pony. Abby, Abby, look at the camera. Abby, look at the camera. Say thank you, Mimi, for Lacy Pony. Hey, I didn't hear you, Abs. Tell Mommy. I'm going to send this to Mimi. Say thank you, Mimi.
Thank you.